Hi, I'm Eric Meinders. I'm an AWS trainer consultant teaching here for Global Knowledge. I teach the better part of the AWS curriculum, so it starts with very fundamental trainings all the way up through associate and professional, as well as a specialty training called security.
I basically came here for getting the foundation in Amazon Web Services and learning a bit more detail about it since we'll be using it in my job. So this was very informative for me.
Jeg deltager i AWS Amazon Web Services seminar for at finde ud af, hvad er Amazon Web Services for noget. Kurset har levet op til mine forventninger. Jeg er godt tilfreds.
The instructor is well experienced and well knowledgeable. I think he was able to come down to our level, both for the professional and the beginners level. He was able to interact with us clearly and precisely. We were able to ask different kind of questions that we were not so clear about, and then he was able to give precise and very good answers to us.
The course definitely met my expectations, and I certainly would come to another one in the future.